If you are a manufacturer of protein powder, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your protein powder manufacturer business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, pricing, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your protein powder manufacturing business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly Protein Hub, and with that they have provided me 3 action buttons: place a bulk order, view product info and talk to support. Let's click on view product info. As soon as I have selected view product info, I got a response in which they mention all the information of their product with gram of protein, carbs, fat and flavor. Not only that, they have mentioned a action button over here which says menu. Let's select that. As soon as I have selected the menu button, I got the initial message again. This time, let's select place in bulk order. To place an order, they want few details like product type. I will enter weigh. Now they want to know about quantity. I will say 50 kg. After giving quantity, they want to know about the packaging. After telling about packaging, they want to know about the delivery location with city and pin code. I will enter my delivery address. As soon as they got every single detail, they have shared me a confirmation message which says, "Thank you for sharing your order detail. We are now processing your request. You will receive a confirmation message shortly. A secure payment link, your official invoice, estimate shipping timeline will be given to you." And with that, they have provided me a menu button. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for protein powder manufacturing business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your protein powder manufacturer. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the specific message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today I'm going to use reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here, I'm going to browse an image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to put a welcome message for my customer. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Welcome to Pabbly Protein Hub, your trusted partner in high-perform nutrition. We help retails, gyms, fitness clubs, and wellness brands with top-quality lab-tested protein blends. Fast, clean, and efficient. Choose an option to get started. For option, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Place a bulk order. For my next action button, I'm going to put view product info, and for my third action button, I'm going to put talk to support. Now, for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with place a bulk order. To place an order for my customer, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button, and I'm going to enter my message which says, let's get your order rule. Please reply with product type. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Now, after knowing about type, I want to know about the quantity. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please reply with quantity in kg or unit. I'm going to select my contact custom field as quantity and my format as any. Now, after knowing about quantity, I want to know about the packaging. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please reply with packaging. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as packaging and my format as any. Now, after knowing about packaging, last thing I want to know is delivery address. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please reply with delivery location, city plus pin code. I'm going to select my contact custom field as location and my format as any. Now, after knowing every single details of my customer, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, which says, thank you for sharing your order detail. We are now processing your request. You will receive a confirmation message shortly with a secure payment link, your official invoice, estimate shipping timeline. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Now let's move to our second action button, which is view product info. To give information about product, I need to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned all the specific information with proper gram, flavor, calories and everything. With that, I'm going to provide an action button which says menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. After that, I'm going to give a separate message for our third action button, which is talk to support. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message where I have mentioned that our team will contact them shortly and our response time is 15 to 30 minutes. So here you can see I have filled all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for protein powder manufacturing business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.